What's up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get free money on your PayPal account. Remember that you don't have to invest here to earn money. And please, this is not a generator hack that you've seen around YouTube. None of them works. They're all pure spam. Before we start, please be sure to subscribe on my channel and also ring that bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new awesome video. And also be the first to notify every time we are doing a giveaway on our video and get a chance to win an awesome prizes. You have to sign up for an account so you will be able to access the dashboard. I already have an account, so let me log into my account first. Alright, now that we're logged in, let me show you how you'll be able to earn money here. You can earn by doing tasks, which give you 20 to 30 per task. You can refer a friend by sharing your referral links to social media and get $2 on every person that clicked your link. But my favorite way to earn here is by doing tasks. It's very easy and fun to do. Let me show you how easy it is. As you can see here, there are a lot of tasks available and they don't have a limit on how many tasks you can do per day. If you click one task, and you will see the instruction on how to finish it. In this task instruction, you need to download and install this app and run it pretty easy, right? And that's it. After you finish the task, you'll be credited depending on the task that you did. Now let me show you how you will send it to your PayPal account. Go to your My Account menu. You need to put your payment details here. If you want PayPal, just put your PayPal email address. But they have other payment options too, such as Bitcoin, Cash App, and mailed check. Awesome, right? And then after you set up your payment option, go to Cash Out menu. Here you'll be able to cash out all the money that you earn from doing tasks. Just put how much money you want to cash out. The good thing about this website is they have a very excellent support and fast cash out. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much it. If you want to register, check the link in the description. If you have questions, just leave a comment below and I will help you. Don't forget to like and share the video. Please also subscribe for more tutorials.